Hey everybody, welcome to Pre-Lab 9, which is going to be focusing on torques. This is part 1, so make sure after you're done watching this video you look at part 2 as well. Our first problem is going to be illustrating torques due to hanging mass on a meter stick. We're given several variables already. We know that the center of mass of our stick is located at 50 centimeters. We know that the fulcrum is located at 85 centimeters. And we know that our hanging mass is located at 95 centimeters. We're also given the mass of the hanging mass, which is 200 grams. And we need to find the mass of the stick. In order to do this, we need to set up our problem in our equation. We have mass of the stick multiplied by our stick and set it equal to mass of the hanging object multiplied by r of the hanging object. To find r of the stick and r of the hanging object, we do a couple of things. R of the stick is going to be the position from the center of mass to the fulcrum. We know that the center of mass is located at 50 centimeters and the fulcrum is located at 85 centimeters. Knowing the distance from the center of mass to the fulcrum, we will have our stick. The same thing with r of the hanging mass. You would be going from the fulcrum to the position of the hanging mass. Again, we know our fulcrum is located at 85 centimeters and our hanging mass is located at 95 centimeters. The distance between those two is going to be your r of hanging mass. Now you take those variables and plug them in to the equation. We're looking for mass of the stick. We have our stick, which we found right here, the distance from center of mass to the fulcrum. We have our hanging mass, which is 200 grams, and we have our r hanging mass, which is the distance from the fulcrum to the position of the hanging mass. Once you solve for that, you will know the mass of your meter stick. Make sure to watch part 2 of Pre-Lab 9.